All right, I'm pretty stoked about this one. I'm going to show you how to build an expert level AI SEO sub-agent with OpenClaw that generates AI audits that are worth thousands of dollars and how to do it absolutely free. This is next level. This is probably the best use case. I thought my last video about generating free leads was powerful. Might even be more. This is going to show you how to build an SEO agent that businesses will pay thousands of dollars for. I actually showed this SEO agent to someone who has been doing this for years, helping businesses rank on Google and that kind of thing. And she was mind blown. She's like, this thing, it basically took my job. So I'm not only going to show you how to do it, I'm going to demo it live. I'm going to give you the exact prompts that I use to build mine. And I'm going to show you just how powerful this is. So let's get into it. Guys, in case you weren't aware, thousands of businesses right now are trying to figure out how to get ranked on ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, etc. They want AI to recommend their business, and SEO itself is still powerful, but it's slowly declining. And AI SEO is the hot chick in the club per se, right? That's what every business wants. They want AI to recommend their business. And you need to structure your websites and your platforms in a certain way, so that way AI will recognize it. So I'm going to show you exactly how this agent does that. I wasn't kidding. You can make money with SEO and AI SEO just running a scan. Like this audit that you guys are going to be able to do on your own, you can charge businesses anywhere from $497 to $1,000 because it's a comprehensive review and it gives them the exact things they need to do to boost up their AI SEO and SEO. And not only that, I took it a step further and I even trained this agent to give me the prompts if it was a vibe coded website to copy paste the prompts in to level up their website. All right, let's turn on our noggins. Let's do a little bit of learning. Let's get educated on what makes a website AI SEO ready. Number one, structured data. So schema markups. These are big fancy words, but you just need to know this is what's important. They need LLMS text files, so it's AI readable and it has a little site summary. It needs EEAT signals like author bios, credentials, citations, FAQ schema, content freshness, and conversational content, natural Q&A formatting. That's what gets you ranked on AI SEO. Now, here's how the agent works. It's going to scan the website. So you basically just give the website to your agent and say, run a full SEO, AISO scan on it. It does an AI analysis with your own LLM you're using. It generates a report, and then it will actually create the prompts to fix the website if it's a vibe coded website. And if it's not vibe coded, it'll still give them the steps to fix it. You're probably thinking, Zach, give me the stack. Well, here it is right here. Everything I use to build this agent. Obviously, number one, OpenClaw. You got to get that thing set up and ready to rock. Number two, Claude Code or Codex, whatever coding agent. I like Claude Code because it'll build out the report in a nice way. And then number three, the actual agent, the sub-agent we're going to build today. It's called, I name mine Herald. You can name yours whatever you want, but he's trained on SEO and AI search optimization. All right, number four, here.now. This is the instant report hosting. So it's going to give you a URL that you can give to a client. And this gives you the immediate report. And it's actually our sponsor for this video. So shout out to here.now. Here.now is one of the coolest free tools I ever used with my agent. I use it literally every day for instant hosting of photos, documents, websites, and it deploys it immediately. It doesn't track your data, no ads, no reselling data, and it works great with every agent. So Claude Code, OpenClaw, Cursor, whatever. To get rocking with here.now, it's basically as simple as just telling your agent to publish to here.now. And you can also copy the instructions here and give it directly to your agent, depending on what model you're using. But most of your agents will just figure it out. I recommend creating an account here and getting a free account. You just plug in your email. That way, all your URLs stay permanently hosted versus having it for 24 hours. So just go in there, create an account, and then you're golden. All right, let's get into this. I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can find a local business and run a report on their website, know exactly what could be improved, and sell this business the report, make some money, maybe even help them improve their AI SEO, or just maybe give them like a little sample demo report of like, hey, you got a couple things to fix. I'm your guy to fix it, or I know someone who can, whatever it may be. So let's dive into it. Let's say I want to find a plumbing company local here in Phoenix. So I type in like plumbing supply, or plumbing service near me. It could be obviously any business. I'm just trying to find a random one, and you guys could do the same. Cool. So there's a bunch of them. There's some sponsored ones. Maybe we find one that, is not as high ranked. That way, they probably need some help on their website. That's why they're not ranking as high. I don't know. We look around. There's a ton in Phoenix, man. But let's see. I don't know. API plumbing. Interesting. Okay. It looks like some dude's house, right? So do they have a website? Yep. APIplumbing.com. Pull it up. Oh man, this does not look like a plumbing website. All right, let's find a different one. All right, let's keep scanning here. Sunny Plumber Phoenix. Click on the website. Is this an actual? Okay, this looks like an actual website. Okay, cool. So let's say we go here, we grab their website. I'm going to jump over to Max. Hey, Max, can you have Herald run a full SEO audit on this plumbing website here, and then send it to me on here.now with the URL as soon as you're finished? Boom, just dropped it over to him. Let's see what he comes up with. Max is talking to Herald. Herald's over here cooking right now, actively working. This is my mission control. I am continuing to add more to it. I'll probably do another video in the future so you guys can have something just like this. But Harold's cooking right now. It takes about like 3-4 minutes typically. And he does a deep dive scan. He's about to send me the report on here.now, and I'll show you guys here as soon as he's done. All right, Harold's done cooking. Took him about 6 minutes. He gave me the here.now link right here. Looks like this guy needs some help. He has a 24 out of 100. So let's go ahead and check this out. All right, here's the moneymaker right here. It tells me exactly why he got a bad score and breaks it all down. Very specifically, traditional SEO audit, you got a grade D. That's for showing up on Google and Yahoo and that kind of thing. Local deep dive, 18 out of 100. So, dude, if this guy just boosted up his SEO and did a little bit of work on his website, he'd get so much more organic traffic, so many more free leads, and be saving a ton of money and not relying on referrals or relying on paid ads to get clients. So SEO, AISO, super powerful, super valuable. Companies will pay you a lot of money for this. And maybe you don't want to sell to companies. Maybe you just want to like do it for your own website or your own app you're building and make sure you're showing up, getting ranked, and getting free leads. So whatever it is you want to do with this sub-agent is up to you. But this dude needs help. But look how extensive and comprehensive this report is. It even gave me the copy paste prompts to add to their vibe coded app if it's vibe coded, or if it's not, they at least know what needs to be improved. So I got all the prompts, easy copy and paste. It needs a lot of work, but at least this will do the exact things it needs in order. It even ranks it from like high priority, medium priority. So they know what they need to focus on first. Super valuable, full report, a full audit, and everything they need to improve to push up their score. So you saw it in action. You guys, I want to give this to you right now, so you'll be able to have this exact sub-agent. So what you're going to go to do is in the pinned comment, first you got to get here.now. So I'll have it in the pinned comment. So get that installed with your agent. And then you're going to go to agentcommandkit.com. It's also in the pinned comment and in my description. And just come here and click SEO sub-agent. And it's all here free of charge. Just copy it, name it. Mine's named Herald. You can make your own name if you want. So it says right here, name it whatever you want. So you can change that name first before you give it to your agent. And then this will build the SEO audit skill, everything that you saw on that report. And then this will build the AI SEO, or some people call it AISO, whatever. I think AI SEO makes more sense. Copy it, give it to your OpenClaw agent. and then you can run your first audit. So you basically just put the website in there, and then here's what it should do. And this is how much you can sell it as a service. So I know some of you guys are smart here. You're going to make some money with this, or you're going to use it in a really cool way. I probably could charge for something like this, but I'm feeling generous today. So here it is. Here's all the prompts, everything I have that gives you a very valuable sub-agent. I hope you guys get some value from this. Like, comment, subscribe, hype it up, ring the bell, do the thing, whatever on YouTube to get some more love for my channel. I am wanting to do this full time. So the more love I get, the more I'll be able to do it. And I'm stoked. So if this is valuable, let me know in the comments. If whatever video you want to see next, I can make it on OpenClaw, Claude Code, AI, whatever it is, business, put it in the comments. I'll deliver. Love you guys. Till the next one. See you in the next video.